Every business have different onboarding requirements, but some standard company forms often don't capture all the information you need. That's where Bagisto Open Source B2B e-commerce company attribute feature comes in. You can easily add custom fields like industry, tax ID, business license, and many more without any custom development. Now let's see how it works. Here we are on the Bagisto Open Source B2B e-commerce storefront. So first go with this admin panel, logged in, and go here in this field and just click on this company attribute section. These are my existing attributes that I previously created. For make a new one, just go here and fill out all these details quickly. So I will show you how. I'm taking this attribute as business type, and as well as you can just copy here, and you can basically you can fill out all these detail according to your requirement. Attribute code, attribute type. So I'm taking the text. You can choose from any of this list. Move to the validations. Input validations can be is required or unique. So I'm taking is required. Move to the configurations, visible on sign up page, or change the settings as per the channels and locales. Now just click on this save company attribute and move to this mapping section. So this is my attribute that I recently created. So just drag and drop here in this general group attribute and click on this save mapping. Now log out this admin panel. Okay, so this is my customer login page. Create a company account. Now you can see my recently created attribute will show you here. This is business type, and we set this field as required field. So this is mandatory field. You have to fill this field when you can register the customer. And that's how you can easily use the company attribute feature in Bagisto Open Source B2B e-commerce storefront to collect the exact business information your organization needs.